make quick decisions, but that you solve the problem quickly. This will only happen when you take time to make wise decisions. In Ephesians 5:15, this is about walking circumspectly. That you have to really have wisdom. And how do you get wisdom? By listening to wise counsel, by reading the Word of God. Ako, I like reading Proverbs. It's easy lang naman eh. Have you ever read Proverbs in the Bible? Well, it's not started. Kasi everything is there. And it's all about wisdom. And it says there that it's even better than silver and gold. Because you make the right choices. You make the right choices in marrying the person. Because you have to marry well. Marriage is like, more than half of your life. Can you imagine being with someone who is a mistake? Right? So you have to marry well. And while you're married, then stay married. Nandiyan na yan eh. Pero kung hindi, okay lang din. There's hope. There's a second chance. Right? Tama ba?
Yes.
Okay. So, this is not only true in making decisions, but also in developing your own people.